Good morning, Professor Alicia Sosa. My name is Josue Roberto Amaya Mejia. Today I'm going to talk about the daily routine of my brother Gerson Amaya. He works at Banpais Bank, here in Tegucigalpa. First, he wakes up at 5:30 in the morning. Then he brushes his teeth and takes a shower. After that, he drinks a cup of coffee and has breakfast with my mother while they watch HCH. Next, he puts off his company uniform and leaves the house at around 7:14. He goes to the bank on his motorcycle. He arrives at Banpais at 7:30 a.m. because his work starts at 8. During the morning, he attends to many customers, answers phone calls, and reviews documents. At 12, he usually has lunch with his coworkers. After lunch, he continues working. Sometimes he has meetings or helps with bank transactions. He finishes work at 5 in the afternoon. Then he rides his motorcycle back home and arrives around 7 p.m. When he arrives, he changes his clothes and rests for a while. In the evening, he has dinner with the family. After dinner, he watches the news or chat with us. Finally, he goes to bed around 10:30 p.m. to rest for the next day. This is the daily routine of my brother. He is very responsible and hardworking person. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.